So, after we have done the Bolognese sauce and the white sauce, what we're gonna do is we butter 2 baking dish, as you can see, and we start with the white sauce in the bottom and Bolognese on top. You can mix them up, it's all right. We do this for the lasagna not to stick to the tray as well. So although we buttered the baking dish, we still do some sauces in the bottom. Now we are laying the first sheets of lasagna into the baking dishes. As you can see, if they do not fit, you can cut them with your hand. Then we're going to do the first layer of Bolognese sauce. Remember, for the recipes, you can always log on into our website robandjays.com, where there you can find all our recipes, meats, pasta, soups as well. And yes, do share our work so other families will benefit from our work. So, as you can see, we've done the layer of Bolognese sauce there, and now we are doing the lasagna sheets again. Another layer of lasagna sheets as well. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna do another layer of white sauce this time. Yes, lasagna has a lot of work, so you need to prepare early as well, because you need to leave at least the Bolognese for an hour and a half simmering on the stove at least. Follow the recipe, and you can leave it a little bit less on the Bolognese, because on the Bolognese sauce for the lasagna, because it's gonna go in the oven. It's gonna cook another 45 minutes in the oven. By this time, yes, you need to turn the oven as well for temperature of 190 degrees Celsius as well. And so when it's ready, we just give them a good bake in the oven. So that's another layer of white sauce there. Then what we're gonna do is we are going to add the cheddar cheese on top of the white sauce to give our lasagna that more taste to it. I will assure you that if you follow this process, you will end up with a very good plate of lasagna. Then we're gonna do a layer of lasagna sheets, and we will finish the lasagna again with Bolognese sauce on top and the white sauce mixed up with the Bolognese. As we started, we will finish the last layer like that. And of course, we will add the Parmesan on top. Now, after you bake the lasagna for 45 minutes, if you need the top to be a little bit, how you say, more cooked, more done, more color, you can always turn the grill on and give it that 5 minutes under the grill. Keep on turning the dishes as you go to finish with a nice top color. So here we are using all of our sauces. As you can see, Bolognese mixed up with white sauce. And we will cover the baking dish, and we'll cover the baking dish everywhere, and then we will sprinkle the Parmesan cheese. So, again, when we finish this process, we will bake the lasagna for 45 minutes for 190 degrees. And then, like I said before, if you want to finish under the grill, that's perfectly fine, to give that nice Parmesan cheese, that nice color on top. Remember, please do keep following us, and if you would like us to do any recipes that you love, please do leave a comment below so we can work out the recipe that you will ask for. We always do our best to keep it simple and basic. Now we are sprinkling the Parmesan. Beautiful. And we bake it in the oven. That's baked lasagna. For more video recipes, please click the bottom right hand corner to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more recipe ideas. And thank you very much for watching, and have a good day. Bye now. Bye-bye.